Imagine a single remedy that has stood the test of time for over 2,000 years, offering the power of 3 potent fruits in one simple blend. A remedy that not only cleanses but also nourishes, balancing your body from the inside out. A versatile formulation designed to bring harmony and health to your entire system, promoting longevity and improving overall health, ranging from stomach issues to dental cavities, improving skin health and reducing stress and anxiety. Triphala, meaning 3 fruits, is a powerful blend of Amalaki, Bibhitaki and Haritaki. These fruits are sourced from organic farming and are renowned for their rich nutritive properties, including high levels of vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids and other beneficial phytonutrients. But what makes Triphala truly unique is its dual action. It's an effective cleanser and a nourishing agent known to regenerate in Ayurveda. This means it supports a healthy bowel and digestion while balancing all 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Taking organic Triphala daily can help maintain regularity and promote overall digestive health. Scientific studies have shown that its therapeutic benefits stem from its antioxidant properties and its ability to combat some drug-resistant bacteria. Triphala contains gallic acid, ellagic acid and kibulinic acid, which are all strong antioxidants. It also has flavonoids and phytophenols, which have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antidiarrheal abilities. Used for over 2,000 years, Triphala is considered the greatest and most versatile of all herbal formulations. Are the benefits of each fruit? Amalaki, which is also known as amla, high in vitamin C. It's used to treat the common cold, fever and as a diuretic. Digestive, laxative, liver tonic, restorative and anti-inflammatory agent. Haritaki, known for treating constipation, dementia and diabetes. And Bibhitaki, used in the treatment of diabetes, high blood pressure and arthritis. So combining the 3 fruits helps improve digestion, improves eyesight, can aid in weight loss, reduce stress and anxiety, boost the immune system and regulate blood pressure. Investing in your health is the greatest gift you can give yourself. After all, health isn't just wealth, it's the foundation of a vibrant, fulfilling life.